Okay, so welcome members. Now we are going to see more questions about ungrouped data. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let us go through these questions and see the technicalities in them. Okay, to start with this one, tells us that the mean of 6 numbers is 30. Find the sum of the numbers. Okay, you know that they are giving us the mean, so x bar is 30 and the number of those numbers is 6. But all we know that our mean is given by summation x over n, the sum of all the numbers over their number. So now we need the sum of these numbers. So it's going to be summation x. Instead we are going to get this times this n times x bar, which will be n6 times x bar, which is 30. And their total is going to be 180. Then this one, the mean mark for a test in a class of 30 boys and 60 girls are 60 and 70 respectively. So the mean mark for 30 boys is 60 and the mean mark for 20 girls is 70. Find their mean. So how we get the mean is going to be very easy. We are going to get the 30 boys times their mean mark, which is 60. Then plus the 20 girls times their mean mark, which is 70. Then we divide by the total number of the students, which is 30 plus 20, the boys plus the girls. This will be 1, 8, then plus 1, 4, 0, 0, the whole over 15. And the answer here I'm going to get 64. Then here, in a class of boys, the average age is 17. The average age for the whole class is 17. The class has 12 boys, whose average age is 20. Find the size of the class if the average age of girls is 15. Now, from there, what we are going to do, we know that they are giving us the mean of the whole class, which is 17. So now what we are going to say, we are going to say that now our 17 is going to be the boys times the average age, the 12 boys times the average age, then plus the, now girls is going to the next set, M be the number of girls. Let M be the number of girls. So these girls, their average age is 15 times their number, which is M, over their total. The total is going to be m plus 12, the number of girls plus the number of boys. So we could cross multiply here like this. We shall have 17 m plus 12 equaling 2. This is going to be 240. Then plus 15 m. So this is 17 m. Plus, when we multiply there, we get 204 equaling to 240 plus 15m. Can you correct like terms? We bring this side, we have 17m and that's 15m equaling to 240 minus 204. Then here we get 2m will be equaling to, that is 30. This is going to be 36. 36, and instead our m is going to be 18. So the number of girls is 18. So find the size of the class. Then the class is going to be, the size of the class is m plus 12, which is going to be 18 plus 12, and this gives you 30. So the class is having 30 students with ease. Then when we come to this, we have the mean weight of a class of 30 boys is x. So they are giving us the mean as x. When 2 boys with the total weight of 150 kilograms are absent, the mean weight of those present is 2 kilograms less than the mean weight of their class. Find the value of x. Okay. So now first of all, we have in a class of 30 boys. In a class of 30 boys is x. The mean weight of those is x. Now, what we are going to do, we know that now the mean weight of those boys, remember that they are reducing some kilograms and they are removing 150 kilograms from the number of boys. So meaning that now, if I get the total boys are 30 boys, first of all. So if I remove 130 kilograms, the weight is going to reduce to, the mean weight is going to reduce now, x minus 2. Because it's going to be less by 2 kilograms. I know that already our x bar is equal to the sum of x over their number. So what are you going to do there? So I'm going to get the 30 boys times the number. I mean times the number of boys. The 30 boys times the average weight. So from here, I'll say that now, my summation of the boys, I'm going to say the 30 boys times, if maybe the 30 boys times the average weight, then minus the number 50 kilograms over now. If I get this 30, when 2 boys are absent, so I'll get the 30 minus the 2 boys. I'll get now the weight. The weight is going to be now x minus 2. That's going to be the weight. Because why am I subtracting here 2? I'm saying if I get the total, the 30 times their average weight, then let me differentiate the average weight, maybe be y. Okay, let it be y. Sorry, a little bit. Okay, so members, now I was saying if I get now the 30 boys times their mean weight, which is x, then minus, they are telling us that if they move the 2 boys of 150 kilograms, then it means that their average is going to be now the 30 I also reduce it by 2, and they're telling us that the weight is going to be 2 kilograms less. So that's how we handle this. And this would be 30x minus 150 over 28 equaling to x minus 2. So if you cross multiply, we have 30x minus 150 equaling to 28x, then minus 56. And see here we shall be having 2x equaling to, when you subtract this from that, you get 94. So 94 is that our x is going to be now 47. So that is the mean weight of the 30 boys. So that's how we handle those numbers. I wish you the best.